Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to go for a bit of an unexpected video because I did not expect to do this. I went to TK-MAXX today and I bought one too many things, so let's just say this is now a haul. So let's skip the boring intro, which is seen 21 times now, and let's jump right in. So, guys, well, clues in the name. This is why you clicked it. Ain't because of me, because we can see by the views. Oh, bit of tea. Well, okay. So, before we go any further, we do love a good catch up. So, to give it a bit of a small lowdown, today is my day off. I've had a really good day. I went and saw my girls at the Cavaliers Club, said hello, had a chin wag, love it, cute. Then also, I done a bit of babysitting. So, I'm like an uncle. I'm Uncle Aaron. My partner Kingsley is Uncle Kings. He is I looked after my partner's godson Archie and his fabulous mum Tasha while she was away at appointment, and it was beautiful. I'm absolutely exhausted. I had a pounding headache. That boy has got so much energy, but I love him to pieces. We did pretend to be Paw Patrol characters, and if any of you are Paw Patrol fans, for a phase I was Chaser, and that's after he asked my gender. And then for a little bit we went on to, oh God, what's it called, girl? I don't know, I was Gecko. I forgot what it was called. Tasha, you left a comment below and tell me what the program was called now. I've completely forgotten. So anyway, moving on, we have a haul. I have here a bag of goodies, which is absolutely exciting. Like, I love it. I've never actually done a TK-MAXX haul because I'm a broke girl. But we're getting closer to payday now. We're like 3 days off and I have a bit more money left than I expected. So I thought we're going to go for a haul. So, wow, this is revolutionary. So we're now going to tuck in and we're going to get out the items from the bag and we're going to talk about it, show it, swatch it, play with it, feel it. So, I have done a list here of all the items I've bought on this haul, the prices I paid and the prices that they actually are retail price. And wow, can you get some savings? And I found some brands that I did not expect. So we've got Brushworks, standard, cute. We've got Milk, we've got Zoeva, which I've never tried before, so this will be quite exciting. And also Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh. So you know, as well as I do, that we are a budget channel. This is a channel for the Paws and the Pipers around there in the world, like myself. Those that have cute little retail jobs. And so I'm just going to dip my hand in and we're just going to go from there. So the first item I pulled out of the bag, of my TK-MAXX bag, is the Brushworks Jade Roller. So this is something I've been thinking a lot about. I was never really fazed by it and I see a lot of the girls out there in the world using them. And I thought, you know what, girl? I'm going back to college, so this little bitch, Miss Partra, is going to have to widen her horizons and try new things, girl. Because it ain't going to be just smoky eyes and, you know, busted ass wings. It's going to be something upper class and insurable. So we have the Brushworks Jade Roller. I bought this for $5.99 and it retails typically for $9.99. So this is like one of those things I've been looking into it. It's supposed to like get your circulation going because it's a cool. The jade is like cool. You're supposed to rub it on your face. I'm not gonna do that because I've got a full face, girl. Which, can we just say, cute? Like a fruit salad. You know them sweets, a fruit salad. Yeah, I'm feeling it. So back off. So you roll it on your face and it's supposed to like open up your pores and like get the blood. We'll just read the description. Soothing jade is cool to the touch, reducing the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. Need it. Enhance your skincare routine by rolling product onto the skin for even application of moisturizers and serums. Seductive. So there you go, you got a jade roller now. There's one for the collection. I can say I got it, I've done it. Next. So the next item inside my bag is, ooh, it's a palette. It is the Offline, if I can get it right, girl. The Offline by Zoeva. It is an eyeshadow palette. I bought this for $5.99. It retails for £18, girl. $5.99. It's supposed to be £18. So let's tuck right in. So it comes in like this really cute, like again, jadey effect. Love that. What a vibe. And it's got like this little gold cool tones, and inside it's nice. So you have like a whole top row of really nice smoky blendable colours, and then this gorgeous array of colours here. You get a really nice smoky out of these two and these two, mixed with these two, yeah, cute, whatever. And this gorgeous colour. So because obviously I'm doing a lot of swatching, I'm just going to swatch 2 shades from here. So we're going to go in here with this really nice blue shade. Looks gorgeous. Fabulous. Look at that, stunning. And let's go in with this. I really like the look of this warm, like maroony purple. Again, so let's get that next to the blue. Yeah, I'm feeling it. That's cute, and I really like the shimmer on that. So yeah, that's really great. $6.99, it's supposed to be £18, buzzing. Like, this is great for like last minute Christmas presents. If you were like thinking, oh Lord, what do I get my Nana Patricia who wants to look good when we go down bingo girl? Get herself an offline palette. This is perfect for those basic Patricias out there who want to go out and maybe pull Peter and Paul by the bar, you know, and get, not only win with the bingo balls, they want to win with Peter and Paul's balls, you know. So going in with the next selection is, this one excited me. So I love the branding of this. It's called Milk, cute. It comes this really nice cute tube. It retailed for $4.99. I bought this for $4.99, and it's supposed to be £16. I know, as well as you, that you and I could not afford £16 for this. Gorgeous. So look at the beautiful metallics. You got the highlight. Try and just get that in the ring light there. You see, like, it's holographic. So when you open it up, it's called Lip Metal, and this is what interests me. It is this really, really gorgeous, deep colour, and it's called Lip Metal. So it comes across like, it's going to be quite thick, which it is, but look at that. Imagine that on your lips. It would be so stunning. I would put it on my lips, but girl, I've got to record another video after this with the same old face on, and you'll see why. And that is in the shade Slayer. Love that name, Slayer, cute. So the next product in my TK-MAXX. It might be, reminds me like TK-MAXX. You never used to like have like your brothers like growing up, because girl, I wasn't interested. But my brothers used to always play like FIFA, and it was like EA Sports, to the game, or to the game. Oh no, something like that, girl. I don't even know. Busted the house. But next up is this Zoeva. It is a liquid eyeshadow, I believe, if I remember correctly. It cost me $2.99, and it's supposed to retail for £9. Again, wow. I think this brand is mostly known for making makeup brushes more than they are makeup, but their makeup is of a higher price point. So I don't know, I'm still kind of new to the makeup world, but it seems like they must have really good product too. So this is a liquid eyeshadow fix, and it's long wear apparently. So girl, let's give it a go. It's this really cute little squeezy tube. Let's squeeze a bit of that. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be long wear because girl ain't coming out. Okay, so there you can see this squiggle, which like broke my hand to try and get out. Let's just rub that in. Okay, so that's more like a highlighty shade. It's a bit like a banana. It's called Pearl, the shade Pearl, which does kind of have like a shimmer to it, which is also the name of my mother-in-law's cat, Pearl. She's Persian. So there is that. That's something I don't really think I'm going to use, but girl, I'm a collector of makeup, so it's nice to have it. So the next product in my TK-MAXX haul is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. I paid $7.99 because someone's got to try to get their busted fingers in there. $7.99 I paid for this, and it's supposed to be £27. £27 for this. Like, that is something I would never ever pay. I paid like £18, supposed to be £36 for this with 6 shades. This is just one shade, and it's a liquid highlighter, which isn't really my thing typically, but girl, we've got it now. So if I can get it out, it is in the shade Rose Gold. It's again in the squeezy tube. Not really a fan. It feels kind of cheap, especially for £27. I wouldn't be loving the feel of this. But if we just get a bit of this out and just place it here next to the pearl shade, and it is in the shade Rose Gold, you will only need a little bit because you will just like dab it on. And then I'm just gonna dab that into my skin and try and, oh mama. Oh, that's rose gold, girl. Look at that, stunning. You would need the tiniest amount of product because that is going to ruin your face, the tiniest amount. But do you know what? It's actually really worth it for £7. Would I spend £27? No, but at the same time, I didn't. And the next product inside my TK-MAXX haul is the Zoeva lip pencil. I paid £3.99 for this, and it's supposed to retail for £11, which is it's a bit much for a lip pencil, which is what I mean. I kind of get the feeling that Zoeva is like a bit of a nicer brand. So it is the Powerful Lip Twist in the shade Phoebe. It is a nude brown, which is always cute. Is this chunky one? I think you, yeah, I'll go. You twist it to make it go up and down. You see it going up and down there, girl? But it's a lip pencil, so I guess you put it around like a lip liner as opposed to obviously colouring your lips in, girl. But then let's just draw it in next to this blue shade here. Super creamy, love that. Really gorgeous brown. It looks like it probably would spread quite nicely. So if you would, it's probably best, I would say, to place this. If you had like the lightest shade of like, oh god, we're off again. The lightest shade of like nude lipstick on, like a really like nude colour. Use that around the outside of your lips and then just kind of blend it in. I think that would look absolutely gorgeous. That would be my approach for this anyway. So that is always good. That's my suggestion, recommendation. Girl, you've seen my makeup. Decide if you want to take my tips. I don't care if you do. But moving forward to the next product in my TK-MAXX haul is another Anastasia. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a lipstick in the shade Sweet Pea. It is this gorgeous pink colour. I haven't opened this one yet, so we're going to look at this one together. And this retails typically for £18. I paid obviously £8. It is gorgeous. Love this packaging so fucking much. You have this gorgeous Anastasia Beverly Hills logo. It is engraved with Anastasia Beverly Hills here. And when you open it up, it has the gorgeous crest. This feels high value. And it is this stunning like smoky rose pink. I'm shook. And no one's tested it. Look how brand new that is. That's always nice for TK-MAXX, because girl, you always get the second-hand stuff. And let's just do a swatch of this on my, oh, Miss Mama. That is a gorgeous pink. I love that so much. I cannot wait to try that on an actual makeup look. Like, that is stunning. And I think we're now, oh girl, I just got an email from my my landlord, so have a deep breath with me, ready? Moving forward. So that's stunning, cute, and I think this is probably the last product now. Oh, no god, there's two more. So here I have the next product. It is the Zoeva Spice of Life palette. This is a highlighter palette, really cute. I paid £3.99 for this palette. It has this gorgeous metallic embossed packaging, which is a sleeve. So when you slide it out, you get the actual product here. As you open it, it is gorgeous highlighters. You have more like a blushy bronzer highlighter and your typical highlighter. So this would typically retail for £13. I got it for £4. I mean, girl, come on, you can't argue. This is great for last minute gifts. So I really would love to try the Sinfully Delicious, love that, Sinfully Delicious shade, which is this gorgeous bronze highlighter. I'm just gonna run that along the outer. Oh, Miss Mama, look at that. Gorgeous bronze highlight. It just looks really good on like a dark skin or a light skin. You can definitely contour with this. You can do anything with this. And I do want to try, because that was so good. I am really impressed. The lighter shade here, which is called Sweet Relief. And I'm just going to put that next to the Anastasia lipstick. And it's definitely a more lighter highlight. It actually looks really nice. You can just about see it there. It'd be more like a subtle day-to-day highlight. Really, really love that. So that would look probably great under your eyebrows, you know, just to give it that little bit of a pop. So the last product, and one I'm probably quite looking forward to the most, is the Zoeva. I sent you now, if you don't believe me. The Zoeva Sweet Glamour palette. This one didn't actually have a sticker on it, but after asking the gorgeous lady behind the counter, she is absolutely stunning. I've seen her in work and I've complimented her before about how beautiful she is. She has this really amazing aura. She's like this gorgeous, like she's got tan skin. She's got really nice dark hair. She's very much like a posh sexy. She's got a really good mix. Oh, I'm telling you girls, if you're a Bedford girl, go TK-MAXX in Bedford and look for the girl in the jewellery counter. She is stunning. So this palette is a blush palette. It has this absolutely gorgeous holographic rainbow sweet glamour there. It is a absolutely gorgeous blush with a highlight at the end. It's just sensational, isn't it really? So I'm just going to try and get a bit of that off my fingers. I'm going to go in here with this beautiful dusty pink blush. Wow, wow, wow. Get that on that finger. Get this really soft Barbie pink blush. Get that on that finger. Love that one the most. Living. And of course the highlight on my little finger. There we go. So this palette typically retails for £15. This blush palette's £15 and I got it for £7. It was $6.99. So here you have the warmer pink with the lighter pink and then the highlight shade here. Love that highlight actually. So yeah, that's the end of my TK-MAXX haul. Absolutely gorgeous. I would say definitely get yourself down. You know, I didn't see any Jeffree Star today. I didn't see any Lime Crime. There was no like reduced to clear bay. But you know, it really did have some absolutely phenomenal products for really great prices as well. If you want to go down just to treat yourself, if you've done your Christmas shopping, you've got 20 quid spare in order to get yourself something nice, do it. You know, really enjoyed it guys. So I'm going to wrap up this video because we're getting a bit long now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. I would love more than anything to get over 100 subscribers. That's my goal. I'm currently sitting on 69. Please break that one, please, because I am not about that tacky life. Thank you. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. I love you. Goodbye.